Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing my 2018 goals. So I'm going to be doing like, I just really have like 4 goals. I'm not going to be like dragging it out like naming everything, like it's just 4 main goals and there's different like subsections under each goal. So I will just quickly do it. It's just going to be a quick easy video just to like get to know me a bit and just get to know my goals. So I have the notes on my phone, not that I need notes because it's just 4 goals, but you know. So my first goal is super basic. It's like a fitness goal. So at the end of 2017 I bought myself a Fitbit. So this is the Fitbit Charge 2 and I just wanted it to motivate me. I wanted it to track different things. If you go onto the Fitbit website, you can do a test which has like, it'll suit the best Fitbit to your lifestyle and what you want from it. So I picked like, I wanted to track like my water and stuff, how much water I'm drinking a day, and like my heart rate, how much stairs I'm going up, all that kind of thing. So it does all this and that's exactly what I want. I couldn't ask for any more. It does exactly what I want and more. So it comes with an app and it has like the water, how much calories you're putting into your body, how much calories are going out of your body, how much steps you're taking, your sleep patterns. That was a big thing that I wanted also, just to see like my sleep patterns, like how much, like the average sleep I'm getting per week. It tells you your like which category of sleep you're sleeping in through the night, so like deep sleep, light sleep, you know, that kind of thing, and how much time you're awake during the night. I feel like for this year I want to get my sleep pattern good. I want to know how much I'm sleeping, how I feel, like what I feel during the day when I'm getting enough sleep, and I just want to fall asleep earlier, wake up, you know, be productive with my sleep, because in 2017 my sleep pattern was what dragged me down the most. I feel like I just couldn't sleep. I suffered a bit of insomnia. That was like kind of self-diagnosed, but I just couldn't sleep and I was waking up in the morning just not able to get out of bed because I was so tired because I never slept the night before. So I feel like that's one goal I have, is my fitness and my sleep pattern. Just, it's all in with the Fitbit goal, just because the Fitbit tracks everything that I'm on and it'll help me to realise and to kind of like reach my goals because they're written there for me on my app. So my next goal for 2018, I keep saying 2017, so my next goal for 2018 is to finish learning to drive. So I have, right now it's the 5th of December, so right now it's the 5th of January and I have about, I think it's 4 more lessons to go. So I want to get my 4 lessons done, and if I need to get any extra lessons done I'll do them obviously, and I want to do my test and have my license by the end of this year. I know it's very realistic for me to have it done by the end of this year. I'd like to like push my goal like further and say have it done by summer or whatever, but like that's realistic as well. So it's just my goal for 2018, just to have a full license. And pairing up with that, but it's also considered my 3rd goal for 2016, is to be saving or have saved for a car. So my dream goal for this year would be to have bought my first car, but I'm not sure if that's gonna happen or not. So I'd like to just have like 3/4 or a half saved for a car. That I would be so happy with that. So that is my goal. I think it's a bit unrealistic if I say have my first car bought, but if I do, I can look back on this video and like be grateful that I didn't think it was gonna happen, but it did. So even if I just have some money saved for it, I'll be super happy with that. My fourth goal and last goal of this video, it's a super quick video as I told you. My fourth goal for 2018 is to have at least 500 subscribers on here. I really want this to be the year that I really try hard at this, because I've always wanted to create and to like edit and to like put out content, and I feel like the end of 2017 I really realized that, and this year I just want to go for it. So as on from today, the 5th of January, I have 80 subscribers, so I think having 500 by the end of the year is realistic. I'd like to say 1000, but I'm afraid that I won't reach it. So it's like the last goal. If I do get 1000 subscribers, I can always look back and be like, wow, I didn't think I'd do it. And I can look back and think, you know, this is what my mindset was on this time of the year. So that's the end of the video. I know it's short, but that's my point of this video. I just wanted to be short, choppy, and to the point. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you're around here this time next year. I hope I'm still making videos this time next year, and I hope all my goals are good. I feel like it's super important to set realistic goals, so like I'm not going for like 10,000 subscribers, or I'm not like saying, oh, I want to be a size whatever and my goal weight is whatever. I just want to be, my goal that I'm setting right now for my fitness level is just to be healthy and work out like, you know, like a certain amount of times per week, and just realistic what fits into my lifestyle, and at the time what's realistic and fits into my lifestyle at the time of my life. So I think it's super important to pick realistic goals, and you're not setting yourself down for failure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday for a brand new video.